Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to this episode of the Rolling Hot 5. I'm Rachel Schlarb alongside the fabulous
Bree Rhodes.
And we have been getting a lot of really great digital downloads and some really awesome music coming into the studio this week, so make sure to stay tuned in to check it out.
First up, we have Abigail and Eric Selby, and wow, what
gypsy music. I don't know why, but I don't know.
It's a little crazy, honestly.
It is.
It's really hard to describe because it brings me back to high school choir, which I don't know if that's a good thing, but
it's a mixture kind of like Evanescence, but opera, but gypsy.
It's a little bit of everything.
Yeah, you really don't know, and it's different.
But it's good.
I've never heard something like this here on WMCO, so we're going to see how our DJs like it. We talked about this during our Rolling Hot 5 show, and Bree and I have this really big passion about this one artist, and this is Joel James, Adore and Above. And I don't know how else to explain it, except it gets you wanting to stand up and dance, and
it really just pumps you up.
It
really.
is. It's such, I don't know, it's so powerful almost. You want to tell them the story on how you first heard this song?
Well, I had a job interview, and I'm just going down the road, and I usually listen to WMCO, and so I just had it on, and all of a sudden I caught the tail end of this song, and I was just like, yeah, I wanted more, and every time I asked someone, like, is this the song? I'm like, no, it's not. And then finally, when Rachel played it for me, I was like, yes, I've been looking for this song.
It's great. I absolutely love it. Bree and I love it. Our DJs are starting to fall in love with it, and I honestly think this is going to be the new WMCO favorite.
Next up, we have Under Adams, and wow.
Well, okay, we've been getting some really, I don't know, we've been getting different reggae music, gospel music, and now we're getting opera music. It sounds like country opera, and I've never heard something like this before. We've had so many different mixtures of genres and country opera.
It's interesting. Like, there's one song that is strictly sounds, like noises that she makes.
She's basically going ba, 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 ba.
The whole time.
The whole time.
Except for a random guitar drum break in the middle.
Yeah.
And then she picks up at the very end, which I mean isn't bad.
And at the end she still goes ba da 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 da.
It's just different.
But it's not bad. That's the thing. It's just, I don't want to say weird because I've never heard something like this before.
I feel like something can be described as weird, but still be good. It's a good weird.
And honestly, I think things like this, the DJs end up eating it up because it's different, it's weird. They end up wanting more because they want to know different sounds, and
it's a lot like the New Occupants.
Definitely.
They were weird.
And I'm really excited to see what our DJs think of them. All right, so going off of the kind of different music we have a digital download next for you, and this is Man in Doubt by A Few Dollars More. And how everything is explained, you would think, whoa, that's gonna be a really hard rock band. Definitely not a hard rock band. It's more, I want to say alternative maybe, or a reggae style. It's different.
It is, but it's a good different. Like, we embrace different here. We embrace it.
And the thing is that Bree's just being weird. She always says that. But we play this on WMCO. DJs are loving it. They're loving our digital downloads, and I don't know what else we can give them because this is probably the most alternative that we can get.
And personally, I feel like it's a bold move giving them something a little different. Yeah. And it's worked in the past, so why not now? Last but not least, we have
Bree's favorite.
Rude. Cutting me off. OPIA, All of Us. And kind of a fun fact, they're actually Australian.
I did not know that.
Yeah, fun fact. And I don't know, I really kind of enjoy, it's like, it's rock, but
it goes with the, we don't know what genre we want to place it as.
Yeah, 'cause it's
That's
rock.
basically what this whole show is. We're not sure what fits in what genre, even though they have a specific genre, but it sounds like all these genres mixed together, and
I enjoy it. There's just something a little different about them, where it's not quite like hard rock, it's not like smooth, it's a little choppy, but it's not alternative. They're kind of like all around. They take in a little bit of the pieces and then they make it their own, which I think is really nice.
And the thing is, this is just one of those digital downloads that our DJs are starting to fall in love with more. So digital downloads are really becoming popular.
Thanks for tuning into the Rolling Hot 5. I'm Bree Rhodes along with
Rachel Schlarb. And Bree, where can they check us out at?
They can check us out on orbitmediaonline.com under the WMCO Music tab.
And if you want to check us out, you can check us out on Twitter at Orbit907Music and on WMCO 90.7 every Tuesday and Friday at 9 and 2 for a little bit more of an inside look on the newer music we get here at Orbit Media. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We'll catch you next week.